the app that gives correct scores that we can use Lucky Patcher to patch it and review or see the correct scores. Today, the app prediction is what I'm going to give it to you, and the app prediction is marvelous. And one thing I want to tell you is that if you stake on these predictions, make sure you stake for singles before you stake for combines, because these correct scores, they are multi-correct scores but not exact correct scores that this app is giving. Okay, so if you are staking, just stake wisely. Now let's get started. So when I go to the app that gives the correct scores, you can see this is the correct scores VIP. So when I click on that, you will see these are the correct scores that they've posted on their app. Okay, so you can see when you go to the old tips here, let's check. Yes, there are previous predictions with the correct score. Okay, so you can see here they made a correct score of 0 and 1 and the full match was 0. So the 7 odds just came. Okay, they won the 7 odds. This one today went for a correct score of 1-0 or 2-0 in favor of Syria, and the full match score was 1-0. That is 7.35 odds. They won that one too, and here too they won. Those that they've ticked it means they won, but those that there's no check mark attached to it, it means they lost it. Okay, so here these correct scores, you don't have to just trust them as vivid as it is. Okay, you just have to give a try to it. Okay, so when it comes true, you are good to go. Okay, so let's go to today's tips, today's correct scores, and know the best one that if and only if you want to stake on any of these, you can just know how to go about it. I will advise you that if you are staking any of these, just go for singles before you can pick any of them and combine it. Just go for singles. So you can see here the match between Namibia and Mali, they went for 1-0 or 2-0 in favor of Mali. Okay, that is a multi-correct score of 1-0 or 2-0 in favor of Mali, and the odds is 7.65. When it comes to Tanzania and DR Congo, the correct score is 1-0 or 2-0 in favor of DR Congo, and the odds was 7.55. The same way you come to Morocco and Zambia, the same format. Okay, 1-0, 2-0 in favor of Morocco. And when you come to Bayern Munich and Union Berlin, the correct score is 2-0, 3-0, 4-0 in favor of Bayern Munich, and the odds is 7.00. Okay, when you come to Sivasspor versus Antalyaspor, the multi-correct score is 1-0, 2-0 in favor of Antalyaspor. You can see these correct scores, you don't have to trust them. Okay, you can just give a try to it. When it goes well for you, it's okay. When it doesn't go well for you, you learn a lesson. Okay, so these are their predictions. Okay, this is their predictions. Okay, this is their prediction. So you can check through any of these correct scores, then you stick the one that will be best for you. Okay, so these are their predictions for today. Okay, their predictions for today, you can see. So you can see these are the correct scores that they've just posted on their app. Okay, and before you can have access to any of these correct scores, or unless you subscribe to a plan or a package, and by the help of Lucky Patcher, we are able to log into it to get the correct scores. Okay, so you can stake on any of these correct scores. If you stake it and you win, don't forget us. Okay, because we will always keep on giving you the best that you really want from us. I am only disclaiming this to you on how you can make money online through staking. However, I am not responsible for any gain or loss through this video. I am not responsible for any gain or loss through this video. So if you want to stake, you stake wisely. If this video finds interesting, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. As the name goes, here is the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.